Hello, this is Mark Stewart with Prudential California Realty and FreeSanDiegoSearch.com. This is your year-end market report for La Jolla, California, 92037 in single-family homes in that area. Median list price right now is $1.5 million, and asking price per square foot is around $622 a foot, and days on market are going up. And I've got to tell you, this is a little bit of a different kind of report that I've done recently, because I'm really excited about what's happening right now. Yeah, you look down here to price trends, and we've seen the prices drop off the map here a little bit just in the last couple of weeks. Granted, the data used in this report is on-market data only. And what happens at this time of year around the holidays and around, more importantly, the two times when homeowners have to write those big property tax checks in November and again in February, or as late as December 10th and April 10th. This is a time when home sellers that are really interested in selling sort of show a little bit of weakness. And so if you're a buyer right now with interest rates where they're at, and pricing where we've seen it with these distressed sellers, it's really an interesting time to get into the market. I don't normally say that, and I pride myself on not being a salesman, but it really is sort of an exciting 2-month window to consider pulling the trigger on that home purchase in La Jolla. Not so much in a number of other areas, but in La Jolla especially, just because it is a very unique market. We'll see that the days on market in the top first quartile here is a little bit above average. That's pretty normal. It's actually better than it's been. We've seen a number of very high-end $10 million plus properties be taken down recently. The second and third quarters have been about with market average, and the entry level in La Jolla has been, again, pretty strong, which has been pretty much the case for the last few years. As far as the market action index goes, there are fewer transactions than there were, of course, during the heyday over here in the early 2000s. But you'll see that for the last, 3-4 years, it's been pretty steady. There's been an equal amount of homes coming on and off the market. There's just been a total of fewer transactions over these last 3 or 4 years, and that has been very, very consistent. But again, the last thing I want to stress before I sign off here is just how interesting this is right now with these home sellers that have been holding on for the market to rebound, but then they have to write those big tax checks, and that's why we've seen these few homes that are dropping their prices and showing a little bit of weakness, creating a pretty neat buying opportunity. So again, this is Mark Stewart with Prudential California Realty and FreeSanDiegoSearch.com. If you have any questions about the market in your area or La Jolla, give me a call, 858-454-8519. Have a great day.